Are you as infatuated with robots as I am? Especially robots in space? And I'm not talking about the Transformers or Voltron. I'm talking about the real deal. Well, let me introduce you to Robonaut 2, or R2 for short. R2 is a state of the art, highly dexterous anthropomorphic robot. Wow, that's a mouthful. Which basically means that it can make exact movements very well, especially with its hands. Almost like a human, but not quite. The goal of the Robonaut project is to create a fully featured robotics research platform on board the International Space Station. Compared to its older brother, R1, which was built in 2000, engineers have continued to improve upon the Robonaut. Built in 2011, R2 is 4 times faster, more dexterous, and includes a deeper and wider range of sensing. R2 is capable of using extravehicular activity or EVA tools and interfaces, meaning that it can use the same tools and interfaces as those used by astronauts when they're outside of the spacecraft. What makes R2 really great is how advanced its body is. Just a few examples of how cool its systems are is its extreme neck travel, which means that R2 can look up, down, left, and right. Next, it has extended finger and thumb travel, meaning that it nearly has full range of motion in its hands. It also has miniature 6-axis load cells, which are basically tiny measuring sensors used for monitoring force and weight. And lastly, it has series elastic joint technology. This basically means that there is a specific type of actuator in R2's joints. An actuator is in charge of controlling a machine's or robot's movements. What makes R2's actuator special is that they have an elastic spring in them to help R2 detect and control the force of its motions. The 3 previous functions all lend themselves to the example of if R2 were to pick up an egg. It would know just how much force to use to not break it. These attributes all lend themselves to R2's dexterity and ability to work alongside the humans on the International Space Station. This has been Triniti Armstrong, and thank you for watching.